InVideo is touted as one of the best AI video creators out there, but does it really live up to the hype? Today we're diving into its features, usability, and whether it's worth your time and money. InVideo positions itself as a tool for both novices and seasoned creators, allowing users to craft videos from templates or scratch. Interface is quite user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through its extensive library of templates, stock footage, and audio tracks. You can create everything from promotional content to social media clips in just a few clicks. What immediately stands out is the sheer number of templates available, catering to various niches like marketing, education, and personal projects. However, while the platform is designed to be intuitive, there are moments where it feels a bit overwhelming, especially if you're not familiar with video editing software. One thing that's a bit unclear is the extent of the AI capabilities. While it does assist in editing, the specifics on how it enhances creativity or streamlines the process aren't very detailed. Overall, it feels like a solid choice for quick and efficient video creation, but there are some areas that could use more clarity. So, what are the strengths and weaknesses of InVideo? On the plus side, the vast library of templates is a huge time saver, especially for those who want to produce content quickly. The user interface is also quite friendly, making it accessible for beginners. However, some users might find the pricing a bit on the higher side, especially if you're looking for advanced features that aren't included in the basic plan. Additionally, there are reports of occasional lag during rendering, which can be frustrating when you're on a tight deadline. For those who need more advanced customization options, InVideo might feel limiting. It's best suited for individuals or small businesses looking for quick, polished videos rather than professional video editors who need full control over their projects. In summary, InVideo is a strong contender for anyone needing to create videos efficiently, especially if you're a beginner or small business. However, if you're looking for high-level customization and advanced editing tools, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try, but set your expectations accordingly.